Hey, what's happening, YouTubers? Here it is, May 18th in the afternoon, and I'm snowmobiling. Yeah, we got thunderhead clouds rolling in, but right now, pretty dang nice, 78 degrees or so. Come up here to, I just got the engine together in that Arctic Cat, and it seems to be running really good. Good old sled. My springtime free air machine. Yeah, it's doing pretty good. These 570s, nice little sleds. And that's Mount Bachelor right there. And anyway, I'm gonna fire it up and get back. Pretty dang nice spring riding, huh? I mean, look at this place. Awesome. This creek, man, it splits and goes a couple different directions. Try not to fall in. But yeah, that's the signs of spring right there. The way the water just running around in here. I'm about to walk over the creek. I hope it's good and solid. Shoot. And check this out, man. This little pool by a tree running into another one.